Hello, I'm Dr. Karim Kurji, Medical Officer of Health for York Region. York Region, along with the rest of the province, has entered step 2 of the provincial roadmap to a reopening plan. This means more businesses, including personal services, can reopen. We can enjoy outdoor social gatherings and organize public events for up to 25 people. Retail stores can operate at increased capacity, and indoor religious services such as weddings and funeral services can expand to 25% capacity. As public health measures continue to be lifted, and we eagerly await more guidance from the federal and provincial governments on further easing of restrictions, we encourage everyone to continue to wear a face mask or covering, maintain physical distancing, and continue to adhere to all current public health measures. We continue to make tremendous progress as we continue our vaccination efforts across the region. Nearly 80% of York Region's residents aged 12 and older have received one dose of COVID-19 vaccine, and more than 45% have received both doses. We thank everyone who has made it a priority to protect themselves, their loved ones, and the greater community by getting vaccinated. York Region is continuing to deliver COVID-19 vaccines as quickly as possible, and new appointments are released as additional vaccine supply is received. For those who have yet to receive a first dose, please book an appointment as soon as possible, as vaccines remain our most effective tool in the fight against this virus. Today, an additional 25,000 first and second dose appointments are available to individuals 12 years of age or older who live, work, or go to school in York Region. On Wednesday, July 7th, 2021, at 8 a.m., an additional 33,000 COVID-19 appointments will be released for all eligible individuals. Appointments can be booked online or by telephone by visiting york.ca/COVID-19 vaccine. Offering the protection of the vaccine to youth aged 12 and over is a significant milestone in the fight against COVID-19, and as of today, individuals aged 12 to 17 can book a second dose appointment or an earlier second dose appointment at any of York Region's vaccination clinics. It is important to note second dose appointments of the Pfizer vaccine must be administered at least 28 days after receipt of the first dose. Health Canada updated the Pfizer, BioNTech, and Moderna product monographs to describe rare reports of myocarditis, that is, inflammation of the heart muscle, and pericarditis, that is, inflammation of the tissue surrounding the heart, following vaccination. Cases of myocarditis and/or pericarditis following immunization with COVID-19 vaccines have been reported in a small number of people in Canada and internationally. These reports are rare, and investigations into the associations between myocarditis or pericarditis and mRNA vaccines continue. On Friday, July 2nd, 2021, the National Advisory Committee on Immunization released further recommendations that a complete series with an mRNA vaccine should be offered to all individuals, including those 12 years of age and older. The benefits of COVID-19 vaccines continue to outweigh any potential risks, as scientific evidence shows they reduce deaths and hospitalizations due to COVID-19. York Region will be administering Moderna for all first and second doses appointments booked by individuals aged 18 plus through to at least Sunday, July 18th, 2021. Individuals aged 12 to 17 remain exempt from this change and will be vaccinated with the Pfizer vaccine. Both the Pfizer-BioNTech and Moderna mRNA vaccines are over 90% effective at preventing serious illness and death due to COVID-19. The National Advisory Committee on Immunization considers these mRNA vaccines to be interchangeable if the same product is not readily available. The Ministry of Health encourages all people living in Ontario to get their second dose as soon as possible due to the recent increased circulation of the Delta variant throughout the province. If the vaccine you received for your first dose is not available at your second dose appointment, it is recommended you receive the mRNA vaccine that is available rather than delaying your second dose. Individuals who receive their first dose of an mRNA COVID-19 vaccine can receive the second dose at a shortened interval of no less than 28 days. Stay safe, stay informed, stay vigilant, and please get vaccinated. Thank you.